Imagine a world where rainforests act as nature's water factories. A groundbreaking technology now harnesses this power, using bio-inspired sensors to track and enhance the rainforest's role in the water cycle. These sensors mimic the rainforest's natural processes, capturing data on humidity and precipitation patterns. This innovation not only helps in understanding climate dynamics, but also aids in water conservation efforts globally. By amplifying the rainforest's natural abilities, this tech ensures sustainable water management, proving that sometimes the best solutions are inspired by nature itself.